In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add tokens to Trezor. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly manage the ERC20 tokens that you have available on Trezor. You will be able to do all of this by using Trezor Suite, so their desktop application. So I'm going to showcase how to do this through a PC or laptop using Trezor Suite. First of all, make sure that it is connected to your PC. So grab your Trezor device and connect it to your PC or laptop, primarily by using a USB cable. So once the connection has been established and you open Trezor Suite, your Trezor will be detected here. With the Trezor properly connected, go into the option to add a new account, so tap the plus sign that you see at the left menu. Upon choosing the plus sign, you will find Ethereum, and as you can see on the description, this includes ERC20 tokens, so this is what we're looking for. Choose Ethereum and the account will be created. Now you can use the send and receive functions within Trezor Suite to manage your tokens. You don't need to do anything special. You will be able to select receive and the address will appear over here. Copy the address and input it wherever you wish to transfer the tokens from another exchange wallet. The vast majority of tokens are going to be ERC20 tokens which operate on the Ethereum blockchain. If there is a specific one that is not in the ERC20 factor, then you will need to look into alternatives. So once you have this address, it's as simple as inputting it into any other exchange wallet. I didn't choose any particular examples because I believe most people already know how to initiate a transfer. With this wallet address, you go over to the other exchange wallet, choose the option to send, and on the list of input fields, eventually they are going to ask on which address you would like to send the ERC20 tokens to, and this is where you will paste the Trezor Suite wallet address. I hope I was able to help you on how to add tokens to Trezor. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.